Understanding low-voiced, a guide to subtle English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to uncover the meaning and usage of the phrase low-voiced in English. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding such phrases can add nuance to your communication skills. So, if you've heard someone being described as low-voiced and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. When we describe someone as low-voiced, we're talking about their volume and tone. Being low-voiced means speaking with a low volume and often in a deep tone. It's not just about the pitch but also about the level of noise they make when they talk. A low-voiced person's speech is usually opposite to loud or high-pitched voices. You might use low-voiced in several contexts. Describing a person's speaking style, my teacher is low-voiced. We have to be very quiet to hear her lesson. Setting a scene in a story. The room was tense, and everyone spoke in low-voiced whispers. Giving instructions for an appropriate volume. Please keep your discussion low-voiced. We don't want to disturb the other patrons. Remember, low-voiced doesn't always imply secrecy but can simply be a characteristic of a person's usual speaking manner. Speaking low-voiced can convey different emotions and social cues. Confidentiality. A low voice might be used to share secrets or private information. Calmness or seriousness. A low voice can reflect a calm demeanor or a serious situation. Intimacy or tenderness. Sometimes, a low voice can indicate a close, intimate conversation between people. Understanding these subtleties can help you better interpret conversations and situations in English-speaking environments. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning of low-voiced and how you can use it to enrich your English vocabulary. Remember, adding such descriptive phrases to your language toolkit can make your communication more effective and nuanced. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.